the impending hazard. A test of the system is conducted every Wednesday between 11:15 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be canceled. The warning alarm is activated for short-fused weather watches and warnings affecting Michigan's northern Lower Peninsula, the eastern Upper Peninsula, and the adjacent coastal waters of the Great Lakes, including Whitefish Bay, Saginaw Bay, and the St. Mary's River system. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm. The short